Good morning. I am about to head out to Costco for our very first Costco haul in our new house. We have been here not quite a week yet, and I had been trying to get things organized enough so that I could go to Costco and have somewhere to put everything. It's been a lot of work, still not all the way there, but my kitchen is shaping up. Just real quick, it's a mess, obviously, but getting stuff in its place. You know, everything needs to have a place. I also put a little shelf thing in here for now and have all my coffee stuff on there and all my Instant Pots that I use and air fryer that I use all the time. So that felt good to get that done yesterday. So anyways, headed to Costco. Obviously we have been, not buying a lot recently, just trying to make it through without too many big purchases. So we're really needing a lot of stuff. So I expect it'll be a pretty big haul. I am taking Renee along with me. She's going to be my helper. Are you ready to go into the big city to get our groceries?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is there anything that you really, really need from Costco, like food stuff? What food do you want?
Since we're running out of peanut butter, I think we should get some peanut butter.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah, and I hope we can get some cabbage and celery.
Oh, cabbage and celery. That's a good idea.
Yeah,
I don't know if we'll be able to get that at Costco, but we'll try to get it somewhere else.
Yeah, and cabbage is the most thing I want for a food option. We get I can pretend to be a little bunny.
That would be awesome. Oh, you're going to go shopping for me and I just wait for you outside? Because I forgot my mask?
Yeah.
You're so sweet. Well, thankfully I didn't forget my mask, so we'll be fine.
Yeah, that's good.
Finding all kinds of things for the new house. We needed not a toilet paper holder, a paper towel holder. And then I thought these were really cute for my coffee bar. So I was thinking of grabbing these. All kinds of fun stuff.
What is that? What is that?
What, this?
Yeah.
It's these trays. Aren't they pretty? Like to put mugs and stuff on. We gotta get some oranges for Levi. He's obsessed with oranges now.
Yeah.
More than bananas, right?
Yeah.
He likes oranges the best now. He could just eat a whole package of them.
I still have a little bit of an obsession with
He has what?
Levi still has a little obsession with bananas.
A little obsession with bananas. Yeah, he does. And everybody else likes bananas too, so we'll get some.
That's basically the dessert spot.
That's the dessert spot, yeah. Muffins and bagels and cakes.
We don't need no cake for that.
There we go. Our favorite hot dogs are on sale, so we're going to stock up on these. Autumn needed some Gruyere cheese for dinner she's going to make. So I think that looks like the best one of
And
those.
we can get some of that for Easter.
Oh, there's all kinds of Easter stuff, huh? Fun stuff. Gotta get kombucha for Dad. Our favorite pasta is on sale this month. That's a really good price. So we're gonna stock up on that. I'm gonna get 3.
My favorite is the stringy.
The which one?
My favorite is the strings.
Oh, the string?
No, the spring.
Oh, spring. I see.
I love that there's like noodles.
Yeah, there's all different shapes.
And there's all
It's fun to have different shapes sometimes.
That's a whole, so much.
You like these?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're good,
And
huh?
that's a whole pack of all the different kinds of chips.
Oh yeah, those are.
If we were gonna get one, I would choose the purple pack.
Oh, of course you would. I haven't seen these here before, and they're a really good deal. So we're gonna get some of those. No, not those ones this time. I got you some different plantain chips, though.
Some different plantains.
Yeah, they're like ruffle plantain chips.
Oh, and they have a banana on them.
Yep. Or it's a plantain. All right, I think we did it, and all in one cart. You got the receipt? Mm-hmm. Nice. I'll start with the non-food items. I grabbed a pack of organic dish towels. I thought these looked really nice, and they're organic, and needed some. And I really like to get cotton as much as I can. So much stuff is synthetic, and I just try to get cotton whenever I can. I needed a paper towel holder, and this one I like the look of it pretty well, so grabbed that, and it was only $12.99. This, I have some odd kitchen under the sink storage area because of the the corner sink. So it kind of has some odd space back there, and I thought I'd try to maximize it with this. We'll see if it works out. If it works really great, I might get another one to go like on the other side of the sink, kind of like they show right here. So we'll see. I'm not sure. If it doesn't work out, I will take it back. And then the last thing here is these trays. I have my little coffee area over here, and I was just using a cookie sheet for mugs, and I was thinking one of those trays would look really cute there. So that is all the non-food. I got everything laid out here on my table and on my island because it is a ton. This is the biggest Costco haul I've had in a very, very long time. So we'll start over here. I stocked up on our Polish sausages because they were on sale this week. I got 6 packs. I'll throw some of those in the freezer. Also, our favorite organic pasta was on sale, so I stocked up on that. 3 packs of those. 3 bunches of bananas. Some organic sugar. Havarti cheese was on sale. It's not something I normally get, but I like it. And since it was a pretty good price on sale, I grabbed that. Gruyere cheese for when Autumn makes dinner this week. She's making a baked mac and cheese, and it called for Gruyere, which is so good. I don't know why I don't buy this more often. It's so delicious. Organic Fuji apples, some organic maple syrup, coconut aminos. I just used the last of my big jar of it last night, so I definitely needed more because I use that a lot. Avocado oil. I grabbed 2 bottles. This was another thing that was on sale. I don't buy boxed mac and cheese very often, but it was a really good sale, and I figured we'd have it in stock for like special treats and stuff. Got some kombucha. This is for my husband. He really likes this kind, ginger lemonade. Big container of old-fashioned oats. I want to get a big bag of organic oats from Bob's Red Mill soon, like a 25-pound bag, but I'm not going to make it over there soon, so I got this for the meantime. Now over to the table. Needed to stock up on jasmine rice, so I got a 25-pound bag of that. Organic carrots, low-sodium bacon. This is our favorite bacon. Bag of chocolate chips. The kids have been making trail mixes. We've been trying to get away from more processed junky food because we've been eating more of it during our move just because it's easy and quick. So they've been making some trail mixes, so I got this for that. And speaking of getting away from processed foods, I got these chicken nuggets, and I know that they are processed, obviously, but it's not something, again, that I normally get, but Talia wanted to make a dinner this week, and I've been trying to encourage and foster them wanting to join in the cooking, and she really wanted to make chicken and waffles. And I was going to get chicken strips, but they didn't have any, and these were on sale for a really good price. So I decided to just go ahead and get these this time. We'll foster the love of cooking dinner for the family, and then we'll move on to healthier things later on. But right now I'm just trying to let them choose kind of whatever they want and have it be kind of a treat meal when they do the work to cook it for everybody. So I got that. Parmesan cheese. Also, Autumn needed this for the mac and cheese, and I'll probably separate it into some freezer bags and freeze a bunch of it because this is a ton. So that'll last us a while. Got some organic strawberry jam, some organic cashews, also for the trail mix, like I mentioned. Then I got some organic roasted turkey breast. I wasn't thrilled about the price on this. It's kind of expensive, but it is organic. But it was the only one that I found that had really good ingredients that I liked, didn't have any, junk added. I got a pack of burger patties, some organic raisins. Now these I was excited to see. I've seen this brand before, like at New Seasons and other health food stores, but I'd never seen it at Costco. And it's a 20-ounce bag, so it's more than a pound, and they were $2 off. So it made it $5.99 for a bag. And they're plantain chips, and they're cooked in coconut oil, which is a more stable oil. So I was really excited to see this, so the kids can have something that's like a little bit more of a treat, more of a junk food type thing, but it's with better ingredients. Same thing with these Siete grain-free tortilla chips. These are made out of cassava flour, and they are cooked in avocado oil. So it's just one step up from junky seed oils or canola oil or anything like that. It's just a little bit healthier, and I'm going to try to save these for like a meal if we have Mexican food one night, not just have them to be snacks that kids snack on all the time. I have been trying really hard to get my kids not to snack as much just because they don't eat as much of the healthy dinner that I make. And so it's like every time I give them a snack, that snack of less healthy food takes the place of more healthy food that they could eat later. And I'm just trying to avoid that. Have them be hungry at mealtime and eat a good meal rather than just snacking throughout the day. So the total that I spent, are you ready for this? $438.07. Definitely the biggest haul in a very long time, but hopefully this will keep us stocked up for a very long time. Now that we're out a little bit farther from civilization, I'm planning on trying to have my grocery shopping trips be less often. So we will see how it goes. Thanks for coming shopping with us, and I'll see you again in the next video.